Today's prompt for Dephemerember is selfie in a bubble. I can figure out, selfie in a bubble. Why do I want to have a picture of me? Then I realized the journal is Effie's. So I'm going to make Effie's selfie to put in there. Here's one I made into a tag. Here's another one and another one. And here's a journaling card that I'm going to trim up. So I'm going to get them to this point because we have so much going on for the month that I'm going to leave them blank up to this point and decorate them as we go. What happened, I forgot to turn on my camera. So I did a lot of this before y'all got here. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to make one real quick of each one. I'm using transparency that I have cut. I think I'll have it. I should have it at the front of the video. If not, I'll try and see if I can get it in here where I cut it down. It was just and I'm trying to go in a big, not cover up if you get too close to them with the glue, because what I'm going to do with him is sit him like this. And I really don't want my glue showing through there, which I did get some. So now he's ready to glue to the back. I'm going to put him down and kind of look where I want him at. This is the biggest circle that I have, and that's as far in as it will go. So then what I'm going to do is put a back on it. I want to have something that you can journal on. It's kind of dark to me. This one. And then all I'm doing is, like I've been doing with my collaging, is just putting wet, dry glue, stick glue, and then the wet glue. And I'm going to put these two together the best that they can match. They're off a little bit, but I'm going to trim them down. So what I'm going to do, I already did this one, is I trimmed it here, all the way around to even it up. Where you don't, I'm going to do this journaling card the other way around. To see how I'm going in there as far as I can get, and I'm kind of looking here and here to see if I'm centered. I mean, I guess I could make a mark and center myself. I'm saving these circles too. So again, I'm just going to take and look, put Effie in the window and see which one I like the best with that color. Actually, that one's kind of cute, but or even that one. I think I like that one better. So I'm going to take this one. I'm going to rub this glue all the way around the edges. I don't want to get too close to them right now. And I'm going to take one of my transparencies I've already cut. And I'm going to put them over the top of them. And see if I got him out. See, he's pretty good. He's already wanting to stick to my paper. You know, I didn't need to do all that. So don't glue all the way around like I just did, but if you do, this is how we're going to fix it. I'm going to pick this up and put him in. And I did touch that, so it is definitely gluey right now. I'm going to take my other piece and put some glue on it. This is a great way to use scrapbook paper. This isn't the really thin, like copy paper. This is the heavier scrapbook paper. And I'm just going to put him together. So there's another journaling card. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna continue working on them, but I'm gonna let y'all go so I don't keep you too long. These are really fun and easy to make. I've made these in just a little bit of time. I still need to trim them, but I think you guys can do that on yours. So thank you and have a great day.